I am Esna Bosibori Mauti from Group 28 members, and our question was discuss the physiological and morphological adaptations of class tubellaria, and I'm going to start from the morphological adaptations. The first one, body plan and symmetry. Dorsoventrally flattened body. They have dorsoventrally flattened body, which maximizes surface area for diffusion of gases and nutrients since they lack a circulatory system. The second one, body covering. They have ciliated epidermis, which facilitates gliding movement, especially in aquatic species. Uh, Digestive system. They have highly branched gastrovascular cavity, which facilitates efficient distribution of nutrients throughout the body in the absence of a circulatory system. The other adaptation, musculature. They are circular, longitudinal, and diagonal muscles that enable a range of movements from gliding to undulating twisting. The other adaptation, reproductive adaptations. They have hermaphroditism, which possess both male and female reproductive organs, increase reproductive success. I'll leave for my next colleague to continue with the physiological adaptations.
I'm Yvonne Karida. I'm going to take you through the physiological adaptations of the tubellaria. And in terms of locomotion, they have ciliary gradings, in which, in combination with the mucus secretions, they make them highly efficient in aquatic environments. In terms of nutrition and digestions, many tubellarians feed on small invertebrates or organic detritus. In the extracellular and intracellular digestion, there is the initial breakdown of food that occurs in the gastrovascular cavity, followed by intracellular digestion in specialized cells. And then in terms of gas exchange and circulation, oxygen and carbon dioxide exchange occurs across the body surface due to their thin and flattened bodies. They also have a branched digestive system. Although they lack a circulatory system, the highly branched guts help distribute nutrient efficiently. And then in terms of osmoregulation and excretion, they have frame cells and nephrils that helps them maintain water balance by excreting excess water, which is especially important in freshwater species. And then in terms of ammonia excretion, small and aquatic animals excrete nitrogenous waste directly into the surrounding water through diffusion. And then the other point is in terms of nervous system adaptations. They have Landau-like nervous system, which consists of paired longitudinal nerve cones connected by transverse commissures, allowing coordinated movements. And then the last point on physiological adaptations is about the reproductive strategies. And the tubellaria reproduction, they can reproduce through asexual reproduction, through fission, where the body divides into two, each regenerating into a new individual. And then in terms of the sexual reproduction, there is the internal fertilization, which with the ability to cross-fertilize or self-fertilize in some species. And then the last point on the reproductive strategies, it's about the egg encapsulation, where many species lay eggs in protective capsules to ensure embryonic development. Yes, I welcome the next partner to continue.
I'm Edna Mwendwa. In our research, we were able to collect some of the species as earthworm. As you can see, I have some earthworms. Let me show you. Here it is. As you can see, it has the ventrally flattened body and slippery slippery body because it secretes mucus, which makes it slippery. And then it has ciliated epidermis, as you can see, and it is circular and longitudinal. Thank you.